Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're looking at a 2022 Jayco J Feather Micro 171BH. This RV is offered by Bourbon RV in Bourbon, Missouri. Their contact information is listed below. Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and thanks for watching this video. Please consider hitting the thumbs up button if you find this video helpful and or enjoyable. YouTube will put this video out in front of more folks if you do so and help us grow this channel. If you have any comments or questions, drop them below, and also check out our Instagram and Facebook pages. You can also leave me a message there. Lastly, I'm trying to improve my game, so feel free to give me feedback, make requests. Anything that you think would be helpful, drop that below and hit the subscribe button on your way out. Thanks again, and here we go. As well as a link to the website and all of their inventory. So this unit sleeps 5, has a length of just over 20 feet, a 13-foot awning, exterior speakers you can see right there, ladder to the rooftop, pre-wired for backup camera, off-road tires, heavy-duty fenders you just saw there. There's the badging, the 171BH. As we step up inside the RV, you can see the bed is on the right. Then we directly ahead, we have the dinette area that also accommodates additional sleepers. And then we have a bunk house. That's what the BH stands for. We have a bunk house in the back with an extra surprise that I'll show you here in a moment. So the exterior width is 8'4". The exterior height is 10'5". Here you can see the bunk house. So the top bunk, you have a window there. Very, very convenient. Let the light in or close off the darkening shades. And behind that mattress, well, there's kind of a sneak to it. We have an exterior door, so that can fold up. That bottom bunk can fold up, and you can use it for storage that you can access from the exterior of the RV. Here we have the shower, and it's also a shower tub combo. So if you have little ones or pets, makes it easy to give them a bath. Very convenient. One of my favorite features about any of these RVs is that combination bath and shower. The hitch weight is 405 pounds. Gross weight is 4995. So just under 5,000 pounds for a single axle RV. Pretty nice in my opinion. Cargo weight is 1130. And then here are the tank capacities, your fresh, your gray, and your black. 55, 30 and a half, and 30 and a half. We have a 2-door refrigerator freezer. So here's the bottom door refrigerator, and the top door is the freezer. The furnace is 18,000 BTU. The refrigerator is gas and electric, and it's a 6 cubic foot. There we have the microwave oven. We have a 3-burner cooktop. And then directly below the 3-burner cooktop, we have massive drawers. You can see how large they are. Very, very large. Great capacities, so you can put your pots, your pans, whatever you'd use on your 3-burner cooktop. Underneath your sink, you have additional cabinet space. The LP tank, 30-pound LP bottle. The water heater is a 6-gallon water heater. It's a gas electric DSI. Here's your sink with your cover, so expands your countertop space. Your dinette with your blackout shades, and then cabinets above your dinette for additional storage. Plenty of windows in this unit to get some nice cross ventilation on a cool afternoon or evening. And then more storage underneath your bench seats for your dinette. So that table drops down and accommodates an additional sleeper. So 2 in your queen size bed, 2 in your bunks, and then 1 at the dinette. This is really clever. These are nice stools you could use to sit on. They also slide in there, as you'll see in a moment, and then when you open them up, they're nice and covered, so you can put items in there, and if they're rolling around, they won't make a lot of noise, but also will protect it. And then you can just simply slide back underneath the bed and stow it. And then that strap allows you to secure it properly. Don't know if I mentioned the awning outside was a 13-foot awning with LED lighting. And also I mentioned the 30-pound bottle. There's two 30-pound propane bottles. Here's your power outlet. So this pops up, and then you have residential as well as USB power, which is extremely convenient. Nice size, queen size bed. And then you have the 32-inch flat screen TV. Your control panel for your slide as well as your LED lights. Additional cabinet space above. And then that plug that you see, that's your plug for your microwave oven. As we step outside the coach, and we'll give you another perspective from outside the coach, but I also wanted to show you that rear door, that cargo door. Also, I'd give the little ones an opportunity to climb in that way and make a fort environment. So there's the ladder to the rooftop, and then you also have your pre-wire for your backup camera. Here's your spare so you can see the aggressive tread, so you can do some off-roading. And then you see the bars to protect it, the brush bars to protect the RV, and then you have a rack on the roof. And then here's your additional storage. So that's the bunk that folds up, and you can stow things here, but you could also access your bunk beds from this side as well. So really a clever, well laid out RV. Leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up, let us know what you think of the floor plan on this. We appreciate the support. We appreciate you watching our videos, and when you give us a thumbs up, that tells YouTube that we're getting traction, and they put our videos out in front of more folks. The exterior shower and exterior pass-through storage. Thanks again for watching.